Hello. Hello. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Nikhila. Good morning, Ayman. Balkis. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Kalin.
Good morning, ma'am.
Indra. Anandita. Hira. Good morning. Hi.
Morning, ma'am.
Okay, we will wait 2-3 minutes. Some others to join. Anandita. Hello. How are you, Anandita?
Fine, ma'am.
Christo. Good morning. All of you on your video. Alan Sajiv, Uma Parvati, Adnan, Joseph, on your video. Okay, Vinayak, what was the last topic we have discussed on Friday? What was the last topic we have discussed? Vinayak? Vinayak, what was the last topic we discussed last day? Alia, what was the last topic we discussed last day? Did you copy all your notes that I have sent to you? Alia,
Ma'am?
did you copy the notes that I sent to you last day?
Yes, ma'am.
And what was the last topic we discussed?
Irregular polygon.
Irregular polynomial, okay. And we also discussed on convex polygons and concave polygons. What are they, Jeff? Jeff, what are convex polygon and concave polygon? Convex. First you say about convex. Convex polygons are?
The polygons which have
Yes. Yes. Rudra, what about convex polygons?
A
How can? Yes.
A convex polygon is a simple polygon in which
Yes.
all the diagonals are inside the polygon.
Yes. Jeff, did you write the notes that I sent to you? In your class group, I sent notes.
Yes.
Okay, then Jeff, you read what are concave polygons. Take your book and read.
Concave polygon is a polygon which lie the sides on outside.
What? Once again, read. You look your book and read. It is there in your book, isn't it? Did you write that notes?
Yes, ma'am.
Then read it.
Concave polygon is a polygon which lie the sides or outside the side.
Jeff, you no need to.
Concave polygon is a polygon.
Yes.
Which
read
lie
it. Which lie? I'm asking you to look and read.
Yes, ma'am.
Look and read. Whatever thing you have written in your book, you read that. I send you the notes. You told you have written those notes.
Right.
Okay, read it.
Concave polygon is a polygon. It is a simple polygon. Which lie the parts which lie the inside the polygon.
What? Are you looking your book and reading?
Yes, ma'am.
From where you copy all these things? From your mobile? I
Huh?
have. From where you copy this?
From WhatsApp.
From WhatsApp. Let me
Yes,
see.
ma'am.
You just show that. Show the book where you have written. Jeff, show it. Hmm? Okay. After the class, you check, Jeff. What Jeff, you check what are given in the given in the WhatsApp and what you have written in your book. Okay. And if there is any mistake, you correct it. Okay,
Yes,
Jeff.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And also, Jeff, today itself you have to do one thing. You write. Today itself you have to write. You have to write the definition of convex polygon and concave polygon both 5 times. Okay, and send to my WhatsApp number, personal number. Okay, Jeff.
Yes,
Did you
ma'am.
understand?
Yes,
5 times both the definition, convex and concave polygon. Before that, you have to correct. Your definition is wrong. You check your WhatsApp and correct your definitions. Then write 5 times and send to my personal number. Okay? Okay, dear
Yes,
students, shall we move to the next topic?
Yes.
Okay. All of you unmute your video. Okay, next is angle sum property of polygons. Last year, you studied about angle sum property of triangles. Last year, you
Yes.
studied on.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is angle sum property of triangle? Who will say? Anybody? What is angle sum property of triangle? Angle sum property of triangle is what?
Sum of three
Yes.
interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree.
Yes, Anandita, it's correct. Sum of the angles, interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Angle sum property of angle sum property for triangles. Triangle is angle sum is 180 degree. Last year you studied about on this, and you may have did many problems connecting this property also. Now we are going to study about angle sum property of polygons. Angle sum property of polygons. For that, first we will study what is angle sum property of quadrilaterals. Okay. Okay, now all of you consider this polygon A, B, C, D. What is this ABCD is known as? What's the name of this ABCD? Say ABCD. Say
Polygon.
what is the name of that polygon? Four-sided polygon is quadrilateral. Correct.
Quadrilateral.
Good, good. It is a quadrilateral. Now I'm going to do from this vertex A. From the vertex A, I'm joining. What is this AC? AC is a
Diagonal.
yes. AC is a diagonal. AC is a diagonal. From A, I draw AC, and we know that AC is a diagonal. And this diagonal AC divide this quadrilateral into how many parts? How many parts AC divide diagonal into?
Two.
Into two parts. Good. 2 parts. This is first part. This is second part. AC divide the quadrilateral into 2 parts. And what is the shape of those parts? They are
Triangle.
triangles. Good, good. They are triangles. This is the first triangle and this is the second triangle. So by joining AC, the diagonal AC, we got two triangles. And we know that sum of angles of triangle is, sum of angles of triangle is 180, yes.
degree.
So for this triangle, sum of angle is 180 degree. And for this, it is 180 degree. Okay, we got two triangles and we know that sum of angles of these two triangles are separately 180. Therefore, sum of angles of quadrilateral is 180 plus 180 because we have two triangles. By adding, we will get 180 plus 180 is equal to 2 into 180. 180 plus 180 we can write 2 into 180. And how much 2 into 180?
360.
Correct, it is 360. 2 into 180 is equal to 360. Therefore, sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Okay, Salin, you read sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Read, Salin. Salin, you
Not
read
seeing, ma'am.
sum of.
Not seeing.
You
Not
can't
seeing,
see?
ma'am. No.
This, can you see this quadrilateral ABCD that you can see? Okay.
Now see, ma'am.
Okay,
Some
I will show you.
Some angles
will-
of quadrilateral is
Sum
180.
Sum of
Sum of
angles
angles
of
of quadrilateral
quadrilateral
is 180 plus 180 equal to 2 into 180
equal to 360 degree. Okay, once again, Salin, you read.
Sum of
Salin?
angle of sum of angles of quadrilateral
Uh,
is 180 plus 180
mm,
equal to 2 into 180
uh,
is equal to 360 degree.
360 degree. Okay. Okay. One more. I will show you one more. Okay. Now all of you see this triangle. This quadrilateral P, Q, R, S. Quadrilateral PQRS. I am joining PR. PR is a what is
Diagonal.
PR? Diagonal. And PR divide the quadrilateral into how many parts?
Two.
Two parts. And they are, that parts are, they are,
Two
those parts are
triangles.
two triangles and sum of their angles are
180.
180 degree. 180 degree, 180 degree. Therefore, sum of angles of quadrilateral is equal to 2 into 180 degree equal to, all of you write in your note this one. Sum of angles of quadrilateral is 2 into 180 degree equal to 360. You put this in a box. Put in a box. Sum of angles of quadrilateral equal to 2 into 180 degree. Why this 2? Because we are dividing the quadrilateral into two parts, two triangles. Each triangle has a degree sum 180 degree. So, sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 2 into 180 degree. 2 into 180 degree equal to 360. Did you write?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, what is the next one? Next polygon is? Next polygon is what? Pentagon. Good, good. It is pentagon. Next polygon is a pentagon. Now we are going to study about what is the angle sum of pentagon. What is the angle sum of pentagon? Before that, I am going to draw a pentagon. I am going to draw a pentagon. Can you see this pentagon?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah. P, Q, R, S, T. Pentagon. Okay. Now listen, all of you. Listen carefully. Listen to your computer. Okay. Now from the vertex P, I'm joining one diagonal, PS. From P, we can draw one more diagonal. So from P, we can draw two diagonals. Okay. Okay. How many sides for a pentagon? Alan Sajeev, how many sides for a pentagon?
5.
5 sides. Pentagon has 5 sides, and from this vertex, from a vertex only, I can draw 2 diagonals, and I draw 2 diagonals from the vertex P. Okay, so how many triangles we got there? How many triangles we got when I draw 2 diagonals, PS and PR? How many diagonals we got?
2.
How many 2 diagonals we draw, and how many triangles we got? Sorry. 3 triangles. 1, 2, 3. And we know that sum of angles of each triangle is? Sum of angles of each triangle is 180. So this is also 180 degree. This is 180 degree, and this is 180 degree. Okay. So what will be the sum of angles of what is this shape? Pentagon is equal to how many triangles there when we divide? How many triangles?
3.
3. 3 into 180 degree. 3 into 180, how much?
540.
543. Correct. 540 degree. Write this. Sum of angles of a pentagon is equal to 3 into 180 degree is equal to 540 degree. Sum of angles of a pentagon is equal to 3 into, who will read? Hira, read it once. Hira, read.
Sum of angles of pentagon equal to 3 into 180 degree equals 540 degree.
3 into 180 degree equal to 540 degree. Okay, Vinayak, read it. Vinayak, read.
Sum of angles of pentagon equal 3 into 180 degree equal 540 degree.
Is equal to 540 degree. Okay, what is the next shape? After pentagon, what was the next shape? Hexagon. Correct. Hexagon. How many sides for a hexagon, Saiba? How many sides for a hexagon?
6 sides, ma'am.
6 sides. Correct.
6 sides.
Correct, Saiba. For a hexagon, 6 sides. So next we are going to know what is the sum of angles of a hexagon. Correct. So we are going to draw a hexagon. A, B, C, D, E, F. ABCD is a hexagon, and it has 6 sides. So like pentagon, like pentagon, in the beginning itself, we will draw triangles from a vertex. We will draw diagonals from a vertex so that this hexagon is divided into triangles. So from E we will draw. Which one is the first diagonal from E?
B.
Yes, E?
EB.
EB, good, EB. Then, which is the next?
AD. AD.
AD, how? From E I have to draw, only from E.
F.
From
FD. FD.
EA.
or EA, correct. From E only we can draw. And then
EC.
EC,
EC.
correct. Okay. We should draw diagonals only from a vertex. Okay. We should draw diagonals only from a single vertex only. So here we choose E. Okay. So E is the EA, EB, EC are the diagonals. And these three diagonals divide the hexagon into how many triangles?
4.
4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangles. And also we know that sum of, sorry, 1 second. We know that sum of angles of each triangle is, sum of angles of each triangle is what?
180 degree.
We know that this is 180 degree. This also 180 degree. This is 180 degree. So how many triangles? 4 triangles. Each have an angle sum 180 degree. So I will write sum of angles of a hexagon is equal to 4 into 180 degree. Equal to how much it is? 4 into 180 degree? 720. Correct, it is 720 degree. Write all of you. You can write it. Sum of angles of a hexagon equal to, and put it in a box. Sum of angles of a hexagon is equal to 4 into 180 degree. 4 into 180 degree. Did you write?
Yes.
Did you write?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I rub?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Now all of you listen to me. I am going to explain you an important rule. Okay, I am going to explain an important rule. We studied that for a triangle, angle sum is, for a triangle, angle sum is 180 degree. You know that. It is 180 degree, isn't it? Now a quadrilateral, listen thoroughly, listen carefully. Quadrilateral, it is equal to 2 into 180 you wrote, isn't it? Quadrilateral, 2 into 180. Again, this 2 we can write 4 minus 2. 2 is 4 minus 2. I will explain why this 2 I wrote 4 minus 2. You wait, I will explain. 2 into 180, 360 you got. Instead of that 2, I wrote 4 minus 2. Next is pentagon. Pentagon also, we got 3 into 180 degree. And I am writing it as, instead of 3, I am writing 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. It is, how much you got for a pentagon? Pentagon, yes?
540 degree.
540 degree. 540 degree. And also we found hexagon. For a hexagon, the angle sum is 4 into 180 degree. That is 4 we can write 6 minus 2 into 180 degree, and it is equal to how much you got?
720 degree.
20 degree.
720 degree.
Okay, correct. Now all of you listen carefully. All of you listen carefully. Quadrilateral has how many sides?
4 sides.
4 sides.
Two
So
sides.
its
4 sides.
angle sum is 4 minus 2 into 180. For a quadrilateral, 4 sides. So its angle sum is 4 minus 2 into 180. That is 360 degree. Okay. And for a pentagon, how many sides?
5 sides.
5 sides. So its angle sum is 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. 540 degree. For a hexagon, angle sum is
6 sides.
6 sides. So its angle sum is 6 minus 2 into 180 degree, 720 degree. So what we are doing for getting the angle sum of any polygon, subtract 2 from the number of sides. Angle sum of any polygon is angle sum of any polygon equal to n minus 2 any polygon angle sum of any polygon with n sides is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. Very important formula. If we have 10 sides, suppose we have 10 sides, what will be the angle sum of that polygon? 10 minus 2 into 180 degree. If we have 12 sides, the angle sum will be what? Ansel, angle sum will be what? Suppose we have 12 sides. Angle sum will be Ansel. Awsan. Suppose we have 12 sides, then angle sum will be Awsan. 12 minus 2 into 180 degree. Angle sum will be 12. Okay, right. All of you write this formula, very important formula, and put it in a box. Very important formula it is. And write this in a box. Angle sum of any polygon with n sides equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. Angle sum of quadrilateral is 4 minus 2 into 180 degree. Why 4? Because it has 4 sides. Angle sum of a pentagon is 5 minus 2 into 180 degree because pentagon has 5 sides. Angle sum of a hexagon is 6 minus 2 into 180 degree. So Adnan, what will be angle sum of an octagon? Adnan, what will be the angle sum of octagon?
8 minus 2 into
Correct. Because octagon has 8 sides. So angle sum of an octagon is 8 minus 2 into 180. That we can multiply and find out. Okay. And Agna Maria, what is the angle sum of decagon? Angle sum of a decagon. What is angle sum of a decagon? Angle sum of a decagon is
10 minus 2.
Yes, 10 minus 2 because decagon has 10 sides. Angle sum of a decagon is 10 minus 2 into 180. And Rudra, what is angle sum of a heptagon? Angle sum of a heptagon.
7 minus 2.
Yes, because heptagon has 7 sides. 7 minus 2 into 180. Correct. Very good. Very good. Next, I am giving you a see hexagon and pentagon. Hexagon divided into 4 triangles, pentagon divided into 3 triangles. And see triangle. Triangle we know it is 180 degree. So that there also we can apply the same formula because triangle has 3 sides. So 3 minus 2 into 3 minus 2 into 180 degree. So that is 3 minus 2 into 180 degree means 180 itself, and square or a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral has 4 sides. So it is 4 minus 2 into 180 degree, 360 degree. Pentagon has 5 sides. 5 minus 2 into 180 degree, 3 into 180 degree, 540. We have all done this. And for a hexagon, 6 minus 2 into 180 degree. And dear students, I will send you a homework like this. You have to fill up number of sides of the shape and what will be the sum of angles of each shape. I will send to you by WhatsApp. You have to complete it. Okay? For next day, today itself, you have to complete it. One more period we have, isn't it? We have one more period today.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So that time we will do some more problems on this. So your homework I will send you by WhatsApp, and Vinay and to whom Jeff. Jeff, don't forget about your homework, and you have to prepare a table on sum of angle, sum of quadrilaterals, angle, sum of polygons. Model I will send to you. Okay. Okay. We will see on next period.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.